What's in the box, KY? What's in the box? What's in the box, KY? What's in the box? What's in the box, KY? What's in the box? What's in the box, KY? What's in the box? What's in the box, KY? What's in the box? What's in the box, KY? What's in the... Hey! It's Father's Day! And we got some boxes to open in KY's Toy Museum. And with me is Adam. But before we do, I gotta say, we got a cool package, a big package last week, and we opened it. We had these acrylic cases. I used to keep these Star Wars figures in comic book bags hanging in the toy museum. But yeah, then I found these things. And do you have one?
What?
The case, acrylic case.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
So now this is what they look like. Pretty cool, huh? Hey, look at them. That's Palu. Paplu. And who's this again? Oh.
Who's who again?
Where did we get these?
Oh, the cases?
Yes.
From GW Acrylic USA.
GW Acrylic USA.
Oh, and they have a Facebook.
And they have a cool Facebook page. Okay. Oh, this little piece is falling off. Okay.
You
So,
told me not to do it.
and I got this display there. Check this out. Look at that thing. That is awesome. GW Acrylic. Keep all your little USA. Doing deals with the USA. Let's put these guys back. KLY, what's in the box? Oh, this guy. So for Father's Day, thank you, Kathy, very much. I was at Comic-Con recently, and I saw this. And I loved it. And I left the little booth, and I texted my friend, the action figure grader. Check him out on YouTube. And look at this. This is cool. This is a prototype, an unreleased figure. And it's of a Tusken Raider. Check this out. I love it. And there's a little baby. Look at that. Awesome. Unreleased prototype. So I'm going to send this away to get graded. Absolutely the coolest thing. It's a prototype.
I love the baby.
We do. This is a new favorite for us here at this house. The little baby. The Tusken Raider baby. Now, hopefully I saw that I'm running out of powder. I love this. Prototypes and bootlegs. Let's put them up. Okay. KY, what's in the box for one? KY, what's in the box? KY, what's in the box? KY, what's in the box? He's getting good at this. KY, what's in the box? Yeah, so if you are new, we are collecting every figure from Return of the Jedi, whether it's graded, loose, in its package, every figure. It's been fun. Where do we get them, you ask? Well, a little bit from eBay, but there's some private groups that are trustworthy, and you know they're not fake Roonies out there. Hey, what's in the box? Oh boy. Uh-oh. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
It's a Jawa, isn't it?
No! It's cuter than the Jawa. Adam, I don't know if we should open this now or that one. Okay, here we go. This is amazing. We're gonna have to set them up somehow. Okay, look at this. Oh, I'm getting a little teary-eyed. Reminds me of being a child. Adam, when I was about your age, well, a little younger, I collected every figure from Return of the Jedi. Maybe it's a midlife crisis, or we're just having fun. Look at this. It's an Ewok. It's loose. A little loose Wicket, I believe. Wicket. Oh my gosh. Adam, can we try and stand these up? So we do have Wicket in this package. That's cool. Alright. gotta be quick. People are busy. We gotta be quick in KY's Toy Museum. KY, what's in the box? Another little Ewok. Is that Pop Blue? I'm gonna have to learn their names. I'll figure their names out. These are awesome. Look at this one. I don't know who he is. I don't know. That's not Logray. Hey, Chirpa? I don't know. Adam, look at these. Next, I need the Ewok village. Oh, this guy fell out. Hi. Hi. I'll find a little home for you little fellas. You need a home. Adam, we need a home. Look at them. Who's this guy? Now this is Chief Chirp, I think. He's kind of fallen out here. There he is, with all the little weapons. Oh, I love him. Yep, you can sleep in my bed tonight. Okay, we'll put him right there. What else? Oh, and there's that. Okay, so when I ordered these from Buddy, I got him to throw them in this figure. So this figure, the last 17 figures, there's one over there, I'll show you later. But this is, I don't know, it's kind of the most boring figure. It's called the Dignitary. So this is him. This is called the Dignitary, right here. I never had him as a kid, nor do I think I wanted him. But that's the Dignitary in great condition. You know what? You look for their noses. Usually they get rubbed off. He is in great shape. All right, little fella. Okay, we got one more. Hey, KY, what's in the box? Hey, KY, what's in the box? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I like that. I like him. You don't want to see what it is. No, you don't. You do? Come on up, look. It's no time to read the funnies. Come over here and we'll show them.
I can't.
Come on. Here he is, the last box for today. Oh, this is what else I got for Father's Day. Grab those. Well, just the box there. Underoos. Not just for children. For grown children as well. Skeletor Underoos. That's right.
It's really unhealthy to hold gas in. You're right. You always are.
Well, thank you. Thanks, Kathy. I always...
You're right. You fixed it perfectly. It works even better now.
I know. Okay, Adam, come on over, pull it, let's figure out, we gotta go. Hey, KY, what's in the box? KY, what's in the box? So this right here is a little beautiful snowy white stormtrooper with his original weapon. Now there's some float tests we can do to make sure that this is not a repo weapon and someone just made it with their little 3D printer. Oh, look at him. He's so white and shiny with his little cape. Nice. Okay, what's in the box? Stay tuned next week. I have something so cool coming. I can't wait to share. KY, what's in the box? KY, what's in the box?